Hi, it's Brian Newman with the Spotlight of Business Owner Show, and today we're thrilled to have Ashley Payne of Ashley's Roof Repairs. Hi, Ashley, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, good. Can you let our viewers know um, what do you do? How can they get in touch with you? And a little bit, how did you get in the business?
Yes. So my name is Ashley Payne. I do complimentary roof inspections and I specialize in getting homes restored to pre-loss condition. So if there's any damage from things like wind or hail, the best way to get in contact with me is my phone number 602-350-6596 or my Instagram page at the roof underscore girl. I've been in roofing for almost 3 years and I'm a top producer at my work and I love it as my career. I fell into it on accident.
Oh, wow. Yeah, so check her out. She does a great job. And her Instagram is at the roof underscore girl. So she's got a lot of information there. So Ashley, thank you so much for being on here.
Thank you.